Here are 5 interactive Minecraft plugins or games that can get you more gifts on TikTok Live. And we'll start with TikFinity's Minecraft Survival plugin. Let me quickly switch into TikFinity, play in action, and then switch back to Minecraft to show you an example. This example is the viewer sending a rose to spawn a creeper. What the TikFinity Minecraft Survival plugin does is allow you to activate any Minecraft Java chat command. For example, the viewers could help you by sending a rose to give you an enchanted apple, or they could hurt you by sending a different gift to spawn something like a creeper. I'll put my much longer guide showing how to set up Minecraft TikFinity for survival mode in the description. Alright, next up we have Just One Block. This is a game developed by Timecode to help you get more gifts. It's pretty simple. You as the streamer are trying to mine this block here to 0 health, and the viewers can send gifts to either hurt or help you. They can send a gift to reduce the HP of the block. They could send a gift to increase the mining speed so that you mine the HP down faster. Or conversely, if they want to hurt you, they could send a gift to add HP on, and they could also send a gift to reduce the speed of the pickaxe. They could also send gifts to set the HP to specific thresholds. For example, they could send a gift to increase the HP here to 2000. It is also possible with this plugin to put the top gifters on the screen. If you want to get Just One Block, I'll put my link to this in the description. You can use code Harry to get 33% off this. When you buy it, you'll get a zip file with a tutorial from me inside it showing fully how to set it up, including how to set up all of the TikFinity commands. And in fact, I've just given you a TikFinity profile so you can easily set it up. So once again, if you want to try Just One Block for 33% off, then use both the link in the description and type promo code Harry at checkout. If you're looking for free advice to monetize and grow your live streams, then check out my Live Success newsletter, which is linked in the description. Every week I send things like the latest streaming news and case studies which will help you make more money from TikTok Live and beyond. Once again, that's in the description. Moving on, we have the streamer versus viewer cube game. The goal of this one is really simple. The streamer is placing diamond blocks, and the viewers are sending TNT to try and blow up the diamond blocks to stop the streamer from filling up the cube. This is also using free plugins provided by Timecode, and I'll put my guides to how to set up the cube game in the description. Next up, here's a game that I actually haven't tried, but this is called the Minecraft TikTok Live Tower game. I'll put this GitHub page in the description. There's also an associated Discord providing support for this, so try this one out yourself and let me know how good it is by commenting. And finally, we have Key Tech, which is a Discord server which sells a host of different Minecraft Java plugins. Given the volume of people in their Discord, they appear to be legitimate, but I've never actually purchased anything for them. But looking through all the screenshots in this Discord, including this kind of King of the Hill type one, which is obviously inspired by GTA, it looks like this is a legitimate company. They're selling standalone games like the King of the Hill one. If you head into their announcements channel, and again, I'll put this link in the description, you can see they're also releasing a host of different products, and they usually put a YouTube video which demonstrates what it does. They seem to have a lot of different plugins, for example, for the streamer versus viewer cube game, as well as independent scripts, so check this out in the description. And finally, if you still don't have a TikTok live stream key, if you're stuck on Live Studio, then watch this video here to learn how anybody can get a stream key.